How old are you today, Viv? How old are you today? 3? What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite thing to eat?
Do you like cheesy noodles?
Mac and cheese.
Okay. What's your favorite show to watch?
Dora.
Dora?
Yeah.
Who's your best friend?
Huh?
Who's your best friend? Scarlet is? What's your favorite color?
Yellow.
Blue and yellow?
Yeah.
And what's your favorite song?
Twinkle Little Star.
Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.